This is going to blow your mind. Ready to discover the top trusted crypto trading sites for 2024? At Kohinoor Free Gold Crypto Forex Trading Signals, we're here to guide you. Today, we're breaking down the best crypto trading platforms you can trust. First up, FP Markets. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Next, Vantage Markets, known for its extensive range of cryptocurrencies and low fees. Interface. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Visit our website, link in the description. Happy trading with Kohinoor Free Gold Crypto Forex Trading Signals.